If you don't have money to pay for Grok AI or VO3 or any AI tool that you can use to be generating video, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you alternative AI which you can use to be generating videos for yourself for free. You don't need to pay, you don't need to subscribe. It is still free. So without wasting much of your time, I will take you guys to my phone screen right now and show you how you are going to get access to this AI tool and also how you are going to be using it to generate videos for free. So without wasting much of your time, let's go driving into it. Now, the first thing you have to do is to head over to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you go and search for the name of this app, which I'm going to be showing you guys right now. And the name of this app, it is called GenV. I've made video about this AI before and I'm still making new video about it right now because the app has updated. You can now use it to generate videos for free again one more time. Before, we were using Grok AI on this platform to generate videos VO3 for free, but it comes to a stage that you need to subscribe before you can using the app to create videos. But right now the app just updated that you can still use it to create videos for free. So if you have not downloaded your own, go and download it and install it on your phone right now. After installing it, the next thing you are going to do is to click on open. Now when we open the app is going to launch and it's open like this. Let me show you how it works, how you can use this AI and start generating videos for free. At the time of making this video, the app, it is still free at the time of making this video. So you should go and try it out right now. Maybe so you can try it out right now. It is still free, but I don't know whenever the free version is going to stop. Now after the app opens, you are going to see it like this. Now we select this model here where they say free video like this. You are going to see different type of model. When you click on model, you are going to see free video generation. You are going to see Grok AI, VO3.1, VO3 Lite, all these things. You are going to see it here. Before, we are using Grok AI on this platform to generate videos for free, but right now you cannot use Grok or AI to generate videos on this platform except you upgrade or you subscribe to the package. But right now you can see a free video generation up here. That is what we are going to be trying right now. So let's just put it on this free video generation. Now after you put it on this video generation, you can select your aspect ratio 9:16, 6:9, and 1:1. So for the sake of this video, I want us to put it on 9:16. Now putting it in 9:16, the first thing you are going to do is to put your prompt here. You can also upload your image if you have your own image you want to use. So my network is a little bit slow, so let me go back to ChatGPT and copy my video prompt. Now let's assume this is my video prompt I want to generate. This is the video prompt I want to generate. I'll just copy everything like this. And after copying it, I'll go back to the AI tool and I'm going to paste my prompt here. The prompt I just copied right now, I'm going to paste it here. After pasting the prompt, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this create. Now, when you click on create, it may show some ads on your phone. So this app allows you to generate videos for free, but they are going to show some ads. So all you just need to do is just to watch the ad and they are going to continue creating your video for you. Now as you can see, it's creating my video for me right now. So I just have to wait for some minutes and my video is going to be ready and I'm going to show you guys the result we get from this video. You can also upload your image, do text to video, do image to video on this platform. Right now at the time of making this video, it is still free. Everything is free. So this is the detail of my prompt. As you can see, this is the detail, the duration and everything of this video prompt. So we are waiting for the video to be complete so that we are going to see the video. Now our video is ready here. Let me play the video. Let me bring it back. Our video is ready. So this is the video. Let me play it back. As you can see, this is the video just like I prompted. This is the video. So you can use this AI tool right now to generate videos for yourself just the way you were using Grok. So and it comes with sound, everything. So let's go back and let me show you. You can also upload image. You can also create image on this platform. Like as you can see, when you click on image here, this is where you can also create image and you are going to see different type of AI model. The app, as you can see, they also have Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2 and Grok AI image generation. They also have it. You can also use it to generate videos on this platform. And this is the Grok here, as you can see. This is Grok, and on Grok you can use Grok AI here, and you can also generate videos up to 30 seconds. As you can see, time duration, you can generate video up to 30 seconds using this platform. As you can see now, this is how this platform work, which you can use it to generate videos for yourself. So now you have seen everything, how you are going to get access to this AI tool, and also how you are going to be using it to generate videos for free. Don't forget, if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys in our next video.